Welcome to TVCMALL tutorial. This video will show you how to register and subscribe to TVCMALL.com quickly. Click on the sign icon on the top right corner of the page. Fill in the required information, check out the terms and conditions, and privacy policy, and subscribe content to complete the registration process. Congratulations, you are now a subscribed member of TVCMALL. Now check out your account page. You can contact your sales manager via email, Skype, and WhatsApp. Check out your order, account credits, my coupons, and more. You can also complete a quick registration using your existing third-party accounts, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, or PayPal. Click on the corresponding button and follow the instructions to finish. One more simple way to subscribe to TVCMALL.com. Go to the subscribe section at the footer of each website page and fill in your correct email address in the field provided. Lastly, click Let's Thrive to complete the process. Now you'll be the first to know about tailored new arrivals, trends, and more.